Hi guys, my name is Lisa, welcome back to my channel and I'm really happy to see you here today. So in this video, I will show you one effective strategy that is really easy even for beginners. I will show you everything in detail, so keep watching this video till the end. But before we start, don't forget to subscribe to my Telegram channel, the link will be in the description of this video. So here is our pocket option account, and first of all we need to choose our indicators. I choose 3 moving average indicator and also ADX. So let's change the colors of our ADX indicator. So for the ADX line, which is white, for the plus D is green, and for minus D is red, and we click save. So for the first moving average, I change period to 6 and main line is green like here. For the second moving average, we change our period to 50 and style is red. And we click save. For the third moving average, we choose the period of 14. Moving average SMA is everywhere and the color is white. So let's get started. First of all, we need to choose the really good chart, because the chart is a key to success trading session. I'm always telling you that, guys. So let's look at this one, for example. Also not really good, and now I will explain to you why and when you need to open a trade up and when you need to open a trade down. So let's open a trade here for 2 minutes up. By the way, I didn't say you that, but the time for a trade is 2 minutes and the time frame for the candles is 2 minutes. Time frame for the candles, it means for how long our candle lasts. So for example, if we choose M2, it means each candle is lasts 2 minutes. So here we choose everything like that. So let's explain the strat. So now I will explain to you why I open here trade for 2 minutes up. So we can see that the two lines of moving average intersects each other and going upward in the same direction. So it could mean it's the first signal that why we need to open a trade up. Also, let's look at the ADX indicator. We can see that the green line of ADX, it's plus D, is above the red line of ADX, minus D. So when we see that, it means like the upward trend is stronger right now, and the buyers is winning. They are more strong than the sellers. So that's why we understand that we can open a trade up. Also, we need to look at the resistance and support levels here, because this is actually really important, because not any of the indicator will show you 100% signal. Even if all the indicators that you use, 2 or 3 indicators, is showing you to open a position up. For example, your chart just already achieved the resistance level and it will not break this level. Probably in like 80% it will not break this level. So that's why you also need to look at the resistance and support level, and I will show you, I think, in the next example. So yeah guys, we close this position in a profit. So let's look at the other examples. So here, for example, I already told you about that. Here I open a position for $200 down for 2 minutes as well, and here we can see clearly, I will draw it for you, resistance level. Because before that we can see that it was also an upward trend, and boom, so the buyers just couldn't break this level and boom, it went down. So here is the same situation. It was an upward trend, then downward trend for 2 candles, and now upward trend again, but the buyers again, they couldn't break this level and they will probably not break it, because all of the indicators, moving average and ADX indicator, is the same situation like on the previous example. 2 lines of moving average, the green line and the white line, is intersects each other and going up in the same direction. Also the ADX indicator, the green line of ADX is above the red line of ADX, so it means that our chart should grow, our chart should go up higher. But Guys, I'm always honest to you. A lot of traders is showing you that if all the indicators is showing you to open a trade up, you need to do it. But actually, it is not like that. And a lot of people, when they try some strategies of the traders or some indicators, for example, they see this situation and they're thinking like, oh, I should definitely open a trade up. They opened up and they lost their trade, and they're thinking like, oh, this is all scam, this is not working, and blah blah blah. But I'm showing you everything. It is what it is, and you can see, for example, right now it's already 15 seconds till the end of this trade, and I think I'm more than sure that we're gonna win this one. This is a resistance level. Our chart will not probably grow. I'm always telling you probably because the market is really unpredictable. Yeah, guys, we had a profit, as I told you. Market is really unpredictable, and we just couldn't know where our chart will go. Of course, we can analyze that, we can predict our future movement of the chart, but we will not be sure about this for 100%. So here I open a position for $200 up for 2 minutes. Because guys, I'm always telling you that as well, but you need to understand that I know a lot of traders on YouTube, for the views, for the subscribers, they do a really clickbait videos when they won every trade they do. Maybe I will do this kind of videos later, but actually this is almost not possible because you just cannot win all the trades you open. Sometimes market is acting unpredictable. For example, it could be a big volatility or a fast movement of the charts, something else, something that you cannot even predict, and you could lose your trade. Even if you are a trader with 10 years experience, you can lose your trade, and you need to be prepared for that. I'm always telling you that, and you don't need to be stressful about that because we can always do a catch up and cover our losses from our last trade and still have a profit. This is why I have this kind of strategy. I don't even think that any of the traders have this kind of strategy because they are acting like they're winning all the trades they do, but this is not actually true, and you need to understand that. Here actually is the same situation. Our two lines of moving average, the green line and the white line, intersects each other. Today is the day of the upward trend. I can see that they're intersects each other, two lines of moving average, and going up in the same direction. So it could mean that our chart will probably go higher. And also the ADX indicator is the same situation. Our green line of ADX is above the red line of ADX, so it could mean that our chart will also probably grow. Also, we can see here, by the way, the resistance level of the previous candles. Yeah, we didn't win this trade. It was really close. So here I open a catch up for $200 up each. If it closed like 2 seconds before, we will win. But as you can see, that's what I'm telling about you. That it could be just like, I don't know, 1 point, 2 points, and that's it. And you don't have a profit, and you're like, oh, I don't know what to do. I'm so stressful, and you start acting actually crazy. But you need to be calm when you trade, and you just need to do everything step by step. I know a lot of people in my VIP club. I was talking with them on my live streams, and they were telling me that when they're trading on them account, they feel really calm because this is virtual money. This is not really one, and they follow all the catch-ups, they follow money management, they do everything step by step. But when they trade on the real account, for example, and we do the third catch-up, they're like, oh, I'm not gonna do it because you need to put more money for your trade. And they are actually scary, and they don't do a catch-up, and then they're like, trading is not for me or something else. But guys, the thing is that you actually need to follow the rules. That's it. Just try to trade on them account first. In my VIP club, for example, in the main channel, I also have a free trading sessions absolutely for everyone, even if you are not in my VIP club. And guys, my VIP club as well is absolutely free. All you need to do is to register on Pocket Option by my link, the link in the description of this video, and you need to top up your account with any amount of money. But even if you will top up this money and after some time, I don't know, you decide not to trade with me or something else, or you change your plans, you can withdraw this money really quick. And Yeah guys, it's 1 second till the end of our trade, and yeah, we won. That's really great. So I want to show you more examples. Oh, so let's look at this one. Yeah, I opened a trade here for $200 up for 2 minutes as well. Here is almost our chart almost achieved the resistance level. You can see it's really close, but still we have this distance to the resistance level, so in 2 minutes it will grow. Actually the situation is the same, although the moving average indicator is not showing us like a really big upward movement. So the two lines right now, yes, we can see that the two lines of moving average, the white line and the green line, is intersect each other as well and going up in the same direction. So it could mean that our chart will go higher. And also the green line of ADX indicator is above the red line of ADX indicator, so it could mean that our chart will also grow. So let's look at this one. We see that this is a red candle. I think I will open here 2 more trades. Let's see. It will be like a catch-up, but I'm more than sure that it will grow. So let's see. So today is the day of the upward trends, of the upward trades as well. But actually with the downward trend is the same thing. So for example, for ADX indicator, if the red line of ADX is above the green line of ADX, it means that the downward trend is stronger right now, and you should probably open a trade down. And also if the white line of moving average intersects or just going down in the same direction with the red line of moving average, it also could mean that our chart will go lower. So let's see, it's 5 seconds till the end of our first trade. You can see we're winning, our chart is growing right now, and yeah, we had our profit of our first trade on this chart, and I think we will also close the others trades. So yeah guys, the main thing when you trade, you just need to be calm, you just need to follow the rules, you need to see on the indicators, you need to find the support and resistance level. You also could watch the history of the chart, how it was moved up and down, up and down. It is also really important. You can also watch on the whole chart, like for all day, how it was changing. It's also giving you a lot of information. So it's 5 seconds till the end of a trade. Let's see what we're gonna have. And 3, 2, 1, and yeah guys, we had our profit. This is really great. We earned even more than we thought. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my Telegram channel. There's a lot of useful information for beginners and even for those who are already trading by yourself for a long time. And you can register on Pocket Option by my link and use my promo code and get plus 50% to your first deposit. This is really great opportunity for beginners as well. So guys, see you in the next video and on the next trading sessions. Bye bye.